Hello, dear adventurers. Welcome to a journey that promises to be both enchanting and enlightening. Have you ever dreamt of living in a country where pristine nature meets a modern, vibrant society? A place where the old and new coexist in perfect harmony? A place where the air is crisp, the forests are magical, and the people are warm and welcoming? Where every step you take feels like a walk through a fairy tale? Then let me introduce you to Finland, a hidden gem in Northern Europe, often dubbed the happiest country in the world. It's a place where happiness isn't just a state of mind but a way of life. Imagine yourself strolling through sun-dappled forests, the scent of pine filling your lungs, the tranquility of nature enveloping you, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Picture crystal-clear lakes reflecting the sky, inviting you for a refreshing swim or a peaceful kayaking trip. These lakes are not just bodies of water but gateways to a world of relaxation and adventure. Envision charming towns with colorful wooden houses where life moves at a relaxed pace. These towns are not just places to live but communities where everyone knows each other and life is lived in harmony with nature. This is Finland, a country that captivates the soul with its natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere. It's a place where every corner you turn reveals a new, breathtaking view. But Finland is much more than just a pretty face. It's a land of endless opportunities where innovation meets tradition. It boasts a highly developed economy, a world-class education system, and a society that values equality and innovation. Here, education is not just a privilege but a right, and everyone is encouraged to reach their full potential. The Finns are known for their practicality, their love for nature, and their strong sense of community. They are a people who value simplicity and find joy in the little things in life. In this essay, we will embark on a journey to discover how you can make Finland your new home. We will guide you through every step of the way, ensuring that your transition is as smooth as possible. We will explore the benefits of living in this Nordic paradise, delve into the visa process, and uncover the exciting job opportunities that await. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone looking for a fresh start, Finland has something to offer you. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. The land of 1,000 lakes and endless opportunities awaits you. Let's discover Finland, where every day is a new adventure and every moment is a chance to create lasting memories. One of the most compelling reasons to choose Finland as your new home is its exceptional social system. This system is designed to ensure that every resident, regardless of their background, can enjoy a high standard of living. Finns firmly believe in providing a high quality of life for all their citizens, and this is evident in their comprehensive social security net. This network of support includes everything from healthcare to education, ensuring that no one is left behind. Healthcare in Finland is practically free. The Finnish healthcare system is one of the most efficient and accessible in the world. Yes, you read that right. The Finnish government heavily subsidizes healthcare, ensuring that everyone has access to affordable and high-quality medical services. This means that whether you are a resident or a visitor, you can receive the care you need without worrying about the cost. Whether you need to see a doctor, visit the dentist, or receive specialized treatment, you can rest assured that you won't be burdened with exorbitant medical bills. The system is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making healthcare accessible to all. Education is another cornerstone of Finnish society. The Finnish education system is built on the principles of equality and inclusivity. Finland boasts one of the best education systems in the world, renowned for its emphasis on equality, creativity, and critical thinking. Teachers are highly respected and well-trained, ensuring that students receive the best possible education. From early childhood education to higher education, Finland provides free, high-quality education to all its residents. This commitment to education ensures that everyone has the opportunity to succeed, regardless of their socioeconomic background. Equality is deeply ingrained in the Finnish ethos. The country is committed to ensuring that everyone has equal opportunities regardless of their gender, ethnicity, or background. Finland is a pioneer in gender equality, consistently ranking high in global gender equality indexes. Women in Finland enjoy equal opportunities in all aspects of life. Women enjoy equal opportunities in all aspects of life, from education and employment to politics and decision-making. This commitment to gender equality has made Finland a model for other countries to follow. What's more, Finland is a country known for its stability and safety. The low crime rate and peaceful society make it an ideal place to live and raise a family. With a low crime rate and a peaceful society, you can enjoy a sense of security and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. This sense of safety and community is one of the many reasons why Finland is considered one of the best places to live in the world. Now that you're well acquainted with the many advantages of living in Finland, let's delve into the practicalities of making your move. The first step is to secure a visa, and luckily, Finland offers a streamlined process for those seeking employment opportunities, the D-visa. The D-visa is a residence permit that allows you to live and work in Finland for up to a year, with the possibility of extension. This visa is specifically designed for individuals who have secured a job offer in Finland and wish to relocate quickly. The application process for the D-visa is relatively straightforward and can be completed online. You will need to provide the necessary documentation, including a valid passport, your job offer letter, proof of accommodation, and evidence of financial means. The visa application fee is nominal, making it accessible to a wide range of applicants. The Finnish authorities process D-visa applications swiftly, often within a matter of weeks. Once your visa is approved, you're all set to pack your bags and embark on your Finnish adventure. Section 4. Finland is hiring, uncovering a landscape of promising job opportunities. Finland, despite its many charms, faces a peculiar challenge: a shortage of skilled labor. Yes, you read that right. The Finnish economy is thriving and various sectors are actively seeking skilled professionals to fill a growing number of vacancies. One sector experiencing a significant labor shortage is healthcare. Finland's aging population has led to an increased demand for healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses, and caregivers. If you have experience in the healthcare field, your skills will be highly sought after in Finland. The IT sector is another area where Finland is facing a talent crunch. With its booming technology industry and innovative startups, Finland needs skilled software developers, data analysts, and cybersecurity experts to drive its digital economy forward. Tourism is another key sector that relies heavily on international talent. Finland's breathtaking natural beauty and unique cultural experiences attract visitors from all over the world. If you have a passion for hospitality and a desire to share Finland's wonders with others, a career in tourism could be your calling. Section 5. Landing your dream job in Finland. A practical guide to applications. Now that you know about the exciting job opportunities in Finland, let's explore how to navigate the job application process effectively. This guide will provide you with essential tips and strategies to make your application stand out. The good news is that Finnish companies are very open to hiring international talent, and English is widely spoken in the business world. This makes it easier for non-Finnish speakers to integrate into the workplace and contribute effectively. Start by creating a compelling resume and cover letter that highlight your skills and experience relevant to the Finnish job market. Make sure to emphasize any international experience and language skills you possess, as these are highly valued. Research the specific requirements of your target industry and tailor your application accordingly. Understanding the nuances of the Finnish job market can give you a significant advantage. Numerous online job portals specialize in connecting international job seekers with Finnish employers. Websites like Monster.fi, LinkedIn, and T-Palvelut are excellent resources to start your job search. These platforms provide a wealth of information about available positions, salary expectations, and the application process. Make sure to regularly check these sites and set up job alerts to stay updated on new opportunities. Networking is crucial when seeking employment in Finland. Building a professional network can open doors to job opportunities that may not be advertised publicly. Attend online and offline career fairs, connect with professionals in your field through LinkedIn, and reach out to companies directly to express your interest. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted LinkedIn profile. During job interviews, be prepared to discuss your qualifications, your motivations for working in Finland, and your understanding of Finnish work culture. Practice common interview questions and be ready to showcase your adaptability and eagerness to learn. Finnish employers value punctuality, honesty, and a strong work ethic. Demonstrating these qualities can significantly enhance your chances of landing your dream job in Finland.